The wrist flex not only allows wrist flexion, but also permits locking the wrist in 20-degree increments by pushing the slider on the wrist. When unlocking, gently pressing the hand against a surface can assist with releasing the lock. To mount the wrist flex, first clamp the marked area of the mounting plate in a vise. Then, pull the handshell, also known as the system inner hand, behind the base plate, and slide the speed hand into the mounting plate with the palm facing upward. For the Michelangelo hand, mount the hand with the thumb facing upward. To compensate for the rotation during final tightening, hand tighten the wrist flex with an offset of 10 to 20 degrees. For tightening, we need the spanner wrench attachment. Attach it to the torque wrench so that the pin rests against the wrench body. Set the torque wrench to 25 Newton meters. When tightening, ensure the axis is approximately aligned with the +0 degree marking. Note that this is a guideline and doesn't need to be followed exactly. Next, slide on the flexion guard with the hand symbol facing the hand. Pull it over the union nut up to the base plate. Align the flexion guard with the knobs on the slider and put the handshell back over the base plate. To disassemble the wrist flex, pull the handshell back behind the base plate and remove the flexion guard. Slide the hand into the mounting plate and loosen the union nut using the spanner wrench.